सुप्रभातम to all my viewers. बाइकर बॉय NS आप सबका स्वागत करता है. So today I'm going on a small ride. So बारिश तो नहीं है. So today I'm going to Igatpuri. It's hardly, it is 90 odd kilometers from Navi Mumbai. So let's see कहाँ कहाँ घूमना है. Not yet decided. बस हाँ राइड करना है और एंजॉय करना है सैटरडे का. So after a long time I'm doing the ride. Almost a 6 month. So hopefully सफर सुहाना और मस्त में जाना चाहिए अपना. So today I'm going along with my office colleague. His name is Shailesh. So he will be joining along with his family. So I'm with my wife Ashwini. So बज गए अभी 11 और हम लोग हैं अभी कसारा घाट पे. So finally we decided to go Randha Waterfall via Igatpuri. So Randha Waterfall के जाने के लिए आपके पास 2 रूट है. एक जो है गोटी से और एक जो रूट है इगतपुरी बावली डैम से. बावली डैम का रास्ता है. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल road, I can say. If you're a nature lover, definitely you will love the route. So let's explore the route. बारिश कुछ नजर नहीं आ रही है. That's very shocking. बट क्लाइमेट बहुत सुहाना है. साथ में अपनी ब्लैक पैंथर भी मस्त भाग रही है. रास्ता पकड़ के जा रही है. इस गाड़ी ने मुझे हर टाइम साथ दिया है. चाहे वो कोस्टल रूट हो कोकण के, चाहे घाट हो लोनावला के या मालशेष के या कसारा के. इस गाड़ी ने दमदार साथ दिया मेरा. So I will thank to Royal Enfield for this beautiful machine. Lesh, कितना लेता है? So this road will go to Nasik, जहाँ से गोटी से भी है. So we are going from this road, बावली डैम से. ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सीनिक प्लेस है. थोड़ा डिस्टेंस में 5-6 किलोमीटर थोड़ा डिस्टेंस है, बट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सीनिक व्यू. Bauli Dam is 5 kilometers. So we have reached Bauli Dam. So right now I'm at Bauli Waterfall. So I'll show you the view, beautiful view. Just check out. So you can see the waterfall. So water got saturated over here. You can see it's kind of small lake. So this waterfall flows from here, and this water ends it over here. So this is Bauli Dam. Look. So this is Bauli Dam water. So this is the first spot I'm covering. So let's see. ये रास्ता बहुत सीनिक है, आगे और सीनिक हो जाएगा. So ये पहला स्पॉट है. पुढे ना. काय ते फुलं आहे का?
आणि
हे आळू पाहिजे ना? आळू आहे ना? कसा तो? 10 रुपये घ्यायचं. ही फुलं कसली घेते अशीच शोची?
There's no doubt, gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score.
Finally we have reached our destination, that is Randha Waterfall, which is almost 150 km from Mumbai. So it's a very peaceful place. So check out the view. Here comes the waterfall. This is Randha Waterfall. This is amazing. Isn't so? It's very beautiful, right? I know it's 150 kilometers from Mumbai, but it's worth for single penny. ये तो गजब का नज़ारा है मेरे भाई लोग. Actually this place, this place comes in Ahmednagar, Akole. So you have to come here. You can, I have already told you in my vlog, there are two ways to reach here. One is from Igatpuri side, which we have covered the Bauli Dam, Bauli Waterfall. So that is amazing. That route is amazing. And the other route you can take, that is from Goti, from Igatpuri to Goti. So not much difference if you're coming from Igatpuri to Bauli Dam side. Almost there are 4 to 5 kilometer difference from if you're traveling from Goti. ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. अगर आप गोटी साइड से आओगे तो थोड़ा नज़दीक गिरेगा. अगर आप बाउली डैम से आ रहे हो तो आपको डिफरेंस 5 से 6 किलोमीटर का डिफरेंस मिलेगा खाली. बट व्यूज़ आर ऑसम. सीनिक व्यूज़. So stay tuned guys, I'll be posting more interesting place. So keep watching my channel guys and keep supporting. Thank you so much guys. So let's see अगला प्लेस कहाँ एक्सप्लोर होगा. Stay tuned guys.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score.